Well, hello class. Welcome to the first day of school. Wait, let me turn my light on. There we go. Oh, wow, I am so excited to see all of you new faces. This is so exciting. So, for those of you who do not know me, who have maybe not gone to the schools before, I am Miss Johnson. You may have heard of me, maybe not. But I'm definitely going to be your favorite teacher. I'm very excited for the school year. I'm excited for you guys to learn a bunch of new and exciting things, aren't you guys? Yes? Okay, good. I am liking this enthusiasm. My last class may have not had as much as you guys, so you were a good class so far. The first thing, it looks like I have... Filbert, is that you? You're in my class again. That is interesting. I noticed your brother Gilbert is not here. He moved up a grade? Oh. Well, I guess he did exceptionally well last school year, didn't he? Unlike you. I mean, he'll do great this year too, I'm sure. Well, we have a couple things to go over, as always, on the first day of school, which is always my favorite, very exciting, as is the last day, also my favorite. Wait, no. I actually like the first day better. It's always too sad to say goodbye to you guys, so. So the first thing I would like to say is, how is everybody doing? Amazing! How was your guys' summer? Did you guys have a good summer? Did you do fun stuff? Okay, good. Oh, really? You went boating? That's fun. Whoa, you went to Europe. That's very exciting. I'm very jealous. Oh, okay, yeah. Well, it sounds like you guys had an amazing summer. Also, you might be wondering why we started school a little bit later this year, like in September-ish, than usual. So, the reason is because the school made some schedule changes. I just wanted to let you guys know. They made some changes and we're going to be let out of school maybe a little later in May or June, but we'll figure all that out. Don't worry about that. It's fine. So the first thing we need to do, I noticed a lot of you guys are in the wrong seats. So I have a seating list right here. Let's see. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this little whiteboard right here with all the seating list at the front of my desk so you guys, it's propped up, everybody can see it. So everyone form a single file line, please. Chop, chop, quickly. Okay, good job, thank you. And you're all just going to file through and look at this whiteboard to see where you are sitting, okay? Sounds good? Yes, okay, so read that list. Yeah, so you're in that corner. Yeah, you're next to her. Okay, yeah, good job, okay. And then make sure you bring all of your stuff that's in your backpacks with you to that table, because that's where we're going to be for the entire school year. And no changing unless I say so, okay? Thank you. Okay, yes, keep going. Good job. Let me check what's next on our schedule. Let's see here. Ah, yes, we do have to go over the rules. Our school supply list. Lots of fun things to do today. You guys keep getting seated. You keep doing that while I just go over our schedule. Okay, so it looks like the most important thing to do next is get to know each other's names a little bit and just get to know all about each other. So it looks like you guys are almost done getting seated, correct? Just a couple more. Yeah, you're right there. Okay, good job. And your name? John. Nice to meet you, John. You'll be right here in the front. Got it? Okay. Is everyone seated? Everyone situated? John, why aren't you sitting? You have to go to the bathroom? Oh, okay, class, everybody listen up. Shh. Here is a good question. John just asked if he could go to the bathroom. So, that is actually one of our rules. The bathroom rules, you have to take this path right over here. See this paper right here? Yes. So here. There you go. So everyone has to take that path when they go to the bathroom. Understand? Okay. Also, say, yes, Mrs. Johnson, after everything I say. Okay. Thank you. Well, not every time, but you know. You have to respect your teacher, of course. Okay, go ahead and go to the bathroom, John. Let me just adjust my light a little bit. But here's how it's going to work. You're going to turn to your neighbor and ask them what they did in the summer and what their favorite activity was that they did. So, ready, set, go. Everyone do that. Wow, it's so noisy in here. So many kids talking at once. Let's see, what should we do next? Should I tell them the rules? Maybe we can save that for later since they're being such a good class so far. Whatever. Okay, is everybody about done with that? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding ding! You know what? I need a little timer or something. Then I can time you guys every time. I should get that. Anyways, Okay, I hope you guys learned a little bit about your neighbor, and also make sure you guys tell each other your names. So right now, turn to your partner again, ask them if they have any pets, and ask them their name. Then you guys can all start to get to know each other. And make sure you turn to the neighbor on the opposite side of you, okay? Awesome. This class is going pretty well so far. I'm surprised. Let's check the schedule. It's pretty early in the day still, so I suppose my class could use a little bit of tidying up after this. Maybe I could do that at lunch. Let's see. Okay, is everybody about done with that? Okay, amazing. Hopefully you learned a little bit about your neighbors. And now we're going to start with history. I know history's not everyone's favorite, but let's get it done with so we can get to the fun stuff, okay? Hey, class, quiet down. I did not say it's social hour. What did you say, James? Is that even your name? Okay, well, what did you say? Wait, you said it is social hour. No, it is not. Just because I told you to have a little game with your neighbors for a second and talk to each other does not mean that you have to talk for more than what I asked. Understand? Okay, thank you. Please take a seat. Anyways, everybody head to the back of the classroom. Do you see that little stack of books over there? The big stack with, yeah, that one. All those green books we're going to be using as history books this year. It is a new book we have specially ordered, so everybody please go grab their history books. And no complaining. No complaining. It's going to be a positive day. And if you can't have a positive attitude, then you're going to have to go to the principal or detention. So please be positive. Understand? I don't want to have to send you to detention. Go with all the other kids. Okay, thank you. So everyone get your history books when you sit back down. Remember, try not to talk. Shh, no talking, no talking. Let's be quiet. Everybody, please open to page 1. Write your name in the book. That shouldn't take more than 5 seconds. Is everybody done? Chop, chop. Okay, good. Now you're going to turn to page 2. You're just going to do that first page. It's really easy. You're not going to need anyone's help, so just quickly do that one page, just like that starter page. And then we'll get on to the next thing, okay? Okay, this should take no more than 5 minutes, so I'll set a timer. Okay, you know what? I still need to get to know everybody's names. So while they are working on that, I should go over my name list. Let's see, I need a pen. Here we go. I should go over everything and mark off where they're seating so I can remember. Hey, don't talk. Shh, this is quiet time. Keep working. Thank you. Oh, looks like the timer's going off. Okay, is everybody done with that? Lovely. Okay, so now that we got some of the, more boring stuff out of the way, we're going to get to something really fun. So I have a stack of papers at my desk right here. Everybody come and grab one, please. It is going to be writing about summer. You're going to write one whole paragraph, maybe 2 if you would like, on the same paper, about your summer, what you did, what you liked, what you didn't like, if you tried something new, all of that amazing stuff you're going to write on paper, and I will be grading it. This isn't going to count for your whole school grade, just like a little fun thing. I'm going to see how well you are at writing, that kind of thing. So everybody come and grab one, and we'll get started on that. That'll be a lot of fun. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is go over the rules for the school year. So everyone put away your history books and all your writing papers. When you're done writing, which I'm assuming most of you probably are by now, please put all the papers back up on my desk. Thank you. And I'm going to read off the rules for our school year, okay? And specifically my classroom. Understand? Okay, so everyone quiet down. Shh. Because after this we have to do science, and you're going to go to the class across the way, okay? Got it. Okay, perfect. So, first rule, number 1, no food in class. Can everybody see that? Very important rule. Number 1 rule, no food in class ever. No exceptions, okay? Only for lunch, which stays in your backpack. Got it? Okay. Number 2, no tardy slips for any reason, okay? Do you guys get that? So, even if you're late, I don't care. Like, you cannot be late to Mrs. Johnson's class. Understand? Okay, good. Number 3, no leaving to go to the dentist or doctor, because we've all been there. I all know that you guys, every school year, have been to the dentist or the doctor, but in reality, it's, well, you know, a theme park, or you just wanted to go home early from school. So I will not be taking those as excuses. Number 4, no devices or electronics, no phones. You will have computers here, so you will not need any of that, okay? Thank you. Number 5, this is a big one, no bullying. Do you understand this very well? No bullying whatsoever. That will not be tolerated at this school or in this classroom. So if you are being bullied or know somebody who is, come tell me immediately, okay? We are not gonna have that. Number 6, no cheating on tests. I am big about this. I do not like cheaters who cheat on their tests. I really want you guys to get the best grades you can and not from cheating. That's just stupid, okay? Don't do that. Thank you. Number 7, no disrespecting the teacher or the principal or anyone who works here, including me, Miss Johnson, okay? You guys have to be good kids, which so far you've been great, but I have to tell you the rules anyways. No whining. Number 9. Number 10, no complaining. Number 11, no littering. We want to keep our planet clean and tidy. Understand? Okay. And I see a piece of trash already. Excuse me, who left that piece of Jesus trash on the floor? That breaks 2 rules, littering and no food in the class. Someone please pick it up. It doesn't matter if you're responsible. John, can you please pick that up? Thank you, John. See, John is being a good example of picking up trash. That's what you do, even if the trash isn't yours. You pick it up. Understand? Thank you. And the last rule, of course, number 12, have fun. I want you guys to have the best school year you can have. I want this to be memorable, for you to have a good time, make lots of friends, okay? So that is all the rules. If you want to copy, let me know. So those are all the rules for the school year, and let me check the time actually. Okay, we have a little bit more time, so we're gonna go over the rules one more time, just so you guys can, you know, memorize them a little bit. Okay, you know what? I think I'm just going to set the rules right here so you guys can look at them if you want to. Does that sound good? Amazing. Okay, so let me just check our schedule. It looks like it is almost time for lunch. Let's see. Okay, I think this science is right before lunch, which, like I said, you're going to go right across the street. Not street, my bad. Right across the hallway to the other teacher over there. So, yes, that's where we're going to go in about... 5 minutes. You know what? You guys should just go now so you're extra early. And then right after that, you're going to come here for lunch. They said we're going to be doing indoor lunch the first day of school. Probably because it's rainy and some other reasons. I'm not sure. But, yeah, it is a little rainy outside, so we're going to be doing indoor lunch. So as soon as you have science, come back here and I'll see you for lunch. See you guys later. Bye. Quick. You guys should hurry because... you only have 4 minutes to get to class now, okay? So, be fast. Have a good time at science. What time is it? Oh no. Oh, they should be back any minute now. Okay, it's almost time for lunch. I didn't even make any lunch for myself yet. I better hurry. They're gonna be back any minute. Okay, class, I'm back. Oh, you guys are already back. You guys beat me. Okay, so I'm sorry I'm a little late. I accidentally fell asleep on my desk. I guess I was really tired. And so I had to quickly run to the kitchen and... not the kitchen. They don't have a kitchen here. I had to quickly run to my car, and I had to make myself some avocado toast because, you know, that's just very healthy, and some pomegranate juice. So I'm eating very healthily, as should all of you. So it's almost time for lunch in like 1 minute. So you guys can go ahead and go get your lunch kits. I think you left all your backpacks over there, right? Oh no, on your desk, yes, okay. So go ahead and get your lunch out. You guys can start eating, and I'll have some games planned for us in a minute. Would you like to see my toast? It looks very yummy, doesn't it? Yes. Oops. Yep. Oh, one more rule. When we're having lunch, you are allowed to talk, but remember, no spilling your food, okay? And even if you're allowed to talk, that doesn't mean you can yell. Inside voices, okay? Thank you very much. Enjoy your lunch, class. Delicious. What was that? You need to go to the bathroom? Yeah, grab the bathroom pass right there and just take it, bring it back when you're done. Got it? Thank you. This class is actually pretty well behaved so far. I'm a little surprised. Hopefully they're like this the whole school year. Let me check what's next on the schedule while I'm eating my lunch. After lunch? Okay, after lunch is going to be... Okay, got it. Math and reading after lunch. Hopefully this class doesn't complain about math like the last year's class did. I'm sure they'll be fine. That was a very good lunch. Oh, wait. I almost forgot. Hey, boys and girls, listen up. Everyone, shh. I almost forgot to ask guys, how was science? Was your teacher nice? Okay, good. Yeah, I think that he's a new teacher over there, so I'm hoping he's a good one. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, did you learn a lot of good things? Yeah? Okay, well that's great. Lunch is almost over, by the way, so finish up what you're eating. And very soon, in about 5 minutes, maybe 10, we are going to do math, a little bit of math, not too much, and then reading. And then after that, we're going to do PE. I'm excited about that. Okay, so it looks like you guys are done with lunch. That's awesome. I'm going to be right back, but while I'm gone putting this away, I want you guys to get out your math books. They are under your desks in the little cubby holes. And, excuse me, turn to page 2 and just do that first page, okay? It's really easy, so I'll be right back. Okay, sorry you guys, that took a little longer than usual, but I am back. Hopefully you guys are almost done with your math pages. They were very easy, just, like a little refresher page, only a few questions, so were you guys able to get that done? Awesome, so only a couple people left are finishing, right? Okay, that's amazing. I'll give you 1 more minute to finish that. And then next on our day, we are going to do reading. Okay. Are you guys done with that now? Okay, perfect. So next we're going to be doing a little bit of reading, just for 15 minutes, and then we're gonna go to PE. Sound good? Okay, so for reading, I have a stack of books. There's one right there, but I don't think we're gonna be using those yet. I have one at the edge of the desk here. These are exactly your level, so everybody come, we're all going to be reading the same book this year. This one will probably only take us like a quarter of the year to read. It's pretty short. So everybody come and grab this book, read at least to chapter, well, read as far as you can, and then by the end of the timer, we'll go to PE. Let's just do that. Okay, everyone come form. Hey, boys and girls, shh. No yelling, inside voices, okay? I know lunch is over, but you guys need to calm down now. And I still do see some trash, so you guys need to pick that up before you do your reading time, okay? So get in a single file line, but do not talk. Hey, do not shove. That is not nice, okay? You're gonna go to detention if you do that. Do not shove, okay? Thank you. Thank you for apologizing. Now, as soon as you guys all go get your books, you can begin your reading time. But I want to make it very clear, I want it silent during this, okay? We must be very quiet so we can all focus on reading, because it's hard to read when there's a bunch of other people talking, okay? Thank you, class. You can begin your reading now. I didn't get much sleep. Oh, sorry, yes? Oh, you want to go to the bathroom? Yeah, go ahead. Just make sure to take take the bathroom pass. Yeah, right there. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's check the time. Ooh, it's almost time for PE, so are you guys almost done? It's been about 10 minutes, so a couple more minutes left. Okay, awesome. So you guys just hurry and finish up, keep reading, and then, yeah. Okay, everyone, it's been 5 minutes. You can all put your books in your desk for now, because, oh yeah, by the way, each book has a bookmark with it, in case you didn't notice in the back of the book, so just grab that out and put it wherever you stopped at. I'm very proud of you all for reading, so thank you for doing that. And now we are going to head to PE. I'm not sure what we're going to be doing yet, but we're going to head outside. So grab your water bottle if you have it, and let's head out. Okay, class, keep following me and stay in a single file line, please. Thank you. Hey, you guys are talking a little too much. I need you to calm down. Shh. Inside voices, please.
But we're outside.
Well, I just don't want you to be quiet because it's annoying, okay? So keep following me. We're almost there.